Happy video day, guys. Today I'm actually super excited because I'm going to be doing a mystery box unboxing. Now, this is the first time I have ever done a mystery box for this brand. I don't know, I've always wanted to buy one of these boxes, but they're so expensive that I was like, This year the boxes were too good to pass up. So this is going to be a Charlotte Tilbury mystery box unboxing. So on Black Friday, she had, I think it was 3 mystery boxes. Am I wrong? I think it was 3. And I ended up going for the $190 one. I think that's how much it was. And I just got it in the mail right now, so I still have it in the box and everything. Oh, let me see if I know the name of it. So I actually ended up getting the Hollywood Secrets mystery box. I am so excited, and I am so excited to unbox this for you guys. I have an idea of what might be in here because I did see some other unboxings already, but I don't think there were any from the States, so I don't know if I'm gonna get the same stuff. But anyways, if you guys are excited, don't forget to hit subscribe, join my family. I'm Christina Brooke, love to talk about makeup and fashion. You like those 2 things? This is the channel you want to join by hitting subscribe. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so as I said, this one here is called the Hollywood Secrets box. And actually it says here that it was a Cyber Week special. So I'm so excited to see what's in here. I was actually contemplating doing like a full face of Charlotte Tilbury on whatever was in here, but I figured since I have no idea what's gonna be in here, I'll do like a whole other video, like trying some of the products. But oh my God, I love her boxes. Her boxes are so luxurious and beautiful. So I'm excited. Let's see what's in it. Nice little wrapping. Oh my God, so I just saw something that got me really, really excited. Okay. So let's start off with Matte Revolution lipstick. I love Charlotte Tilbury's lipsticks, and I actually during the Sephora sale was gonna buy some, and I ended up not doing it because I was like, oh, they're so expensive, but I really love her lipsticks, and this just so happened to come up, and I'm like, oh my goodness, now I got some more lipsticks. So what color are you? What color are you? Love the bullets. These bullets are just, they're just something. This is Very Victoria. I always wanted Very Victoria. Yes. Oh my God. Okay. So I just started off this box on a super high note. I always wanted Very Victoria. So that is awesome. Let me go ahead and give you guys a little swatch of what that looks like. Oh my God. So that right there is Very Victoria. I am obsessed. Okay, so I'm loving that color. I'm loving that color. So far, we're starting off really, really good right now. Oh my God, so excited. Okay, so let's jump into something else. What are you? The Lip Lustre it's a lip lacquer. So this is a lip luster, and I don't know the color. I don't know if I'm familiar with her lip lusters, to be honest. Ooh, that's a really beautiful color. That's like a really dark, deep maroonish red. And the color is Unleash Me. This looks pretty. Wow. All right, so it actually, when it swatches, it's not as deep. I actually thought this was gonna be a liquid lip for some reason, but it looks more like a gloss. Now, I can imagine putting that like over any lipstick is probably gonna look so beautiful. So yeah, I'm very excited for that. Love the color. It's a beautiful color. And I actually like that it's not super, super deep. So I can put like a red underneath, and maybe if I wanna change the color to be a little bit more of a deep red, I can put that, but so far so good. 2 down, 2 good. Oh my goodness. We got eyeshadow palettes. So this right here is the Bigger, Brighter Eyes filter. It looks just like that. So it says for sparkly eyes. Now you guys know that I tend to never pick up these quads because even though I love Charlotte's formula, like I'm obsessed with it, I just think these quads are so expensive that it's hard for me to justify picking them up. Oh my God. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at those colors. Ooh. That is a very, 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 very pretty palette. I am obsessed. I'm very excited. What is this one called? Does this one have a name? Exaggerate Eyes, Bigger, Brighter Eyes. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. Hey guys, so far so good. So far, so good. Like I'm telling you, for $190, am I already at almost $190 with 3 products? I'm probably almost there. So here we have a collagen lip bath. So this is a collagen enhanced lip plumper. So this one to me is kind of a dud product. I don't use collagen lip plumpers at all. So I'm probably not even going to swatch this because either I'll give it away in a giveaway or I'll give it to a family member. But it looks just like this, beautiful packaging. But I personally don't like lip plumpers. I hate that pepperminty feeling that they give you. So I mean, you know, for me, this is like a dud, but whatever. I mean, just one product so far. So, all right. Next, we have another lip product, and it's a hot lips. So I do also like her hot lips, so that's super cool. And this is an Amazing Amal. And it opens like this. Ooh, look how cute. That packaging is everything. And that's a really nice color too. Okay, so I'm happy with that color. Ooh, that's like a deeper pinkish color. So it's this last one right here. Ooh, I'm liking it so far. So I'm liking all these colors. These are definitely colors that I would wear, and I'm pretty excited. So I think we're already past our $190, you know, price point that I paid. So, and we've got some good products left over. Holy cannolis. Let's go for the big one, guys. We got the Stoned Rose Beauty Instant Look in a Palette. So I'm actually shocked about this because I remember when this released at Sephora, I feel like this was pretty recent. Wasn't this a recent launch? And wow, look at that. So these aren't, and I believe that these are like $75. Oh, and that is beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness, that is absolutely gorgeous. Now, she had one that I actually wanted, and this is so similar to the one that I wanted, these instant eye palettes, so I am not complaining. This is gorgeous. Literally, this kind of made the box for me like pretty phenomenal at this point, but we still got 3 more products in here. So next, oh my goodness, I finally got one. Oh my God, I'm so excited right now. A Cheek to Chic blush. I've always wanted one of these blushers. These are like, what do they call, like the boob blushes, they call them, or whatever. Oh my gosh. Ooh, and that's a color I would wear. Oh my goodness, guys. I am ecstatic. The color that came in here is Walk of No Shame. Wasn't that that's a recent launch from her too. That is everything. I'm excited. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so between the lipsticks, the instant eye palette, and this blush, I'm like, holy crap, this was good. And we got 2 more products. So next we have another Matte Revolution lipstick in Walk of No Shame. That, I think this was a new launch from her. So it looks just like this. You guys know the Matte Revolution packaging. Ooh, and that's another very, very pretty, very wearable for me color. They're all like kind of within like the same color family, if you guys will see. They're all really within the same color family. They have different hues, so it's the so it's this last one right here. You can see all these colors are kind of like within the same color family, but definitely all colors that I would pick up in a heartbeat. So I'm pretty happy right now. It would have been great if one of these would have been like a very light nude, but I'm good with Very Victoria. That one is like, oh. And the last thing, oh my goodness, I can't believe I just got this. Oh my God, I just finished doing a video basically talking about how I wish I might have picked up one of these, and I literally just got it in a mystery box. I just got the Copper Charge eye palette from her. Wow. I mean, if this would have been the green one, I think I would have like died, but this is the copper one, and this one was so beautiful too. I cannot believe that. I can't believe it. This is absolutely stunning. I love the colors of this one right here. This is so me. That is so pretty. I'm very, very happy right now. I'm very happy. I mean, holy crap, guys. This was like, I think this is the best mystery box I've ever opened on my lifetime on YouTube. I don't think I've ever had such an amazing mystery box. I can't even tell you guys what I think was the most exciting here. that's all the products. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the screen right now the real retail value of this. Like if I would have purchased all of this, how much it would have cost me. But this has to be close to $400. I mean, or at least 300 something. Like, this is insane. I am so excited. I don't even know what to tell you guys I'm more excited about. This palette I'm so excited about. I'm excited, like completely ecstatic about the blush. This palette, the Stone Rose face palette, like, I mean, like, I'm so excited for. All the lipsticks, I guess the one I'm most excited for is Very Victoria because it's been on my list for such a long time. And also this eyeshadow palette, like that one also looks gorgeous. So I guess the two in the palette that I'm the least excited for is the lip collagen plumper thing, because I probably am not going to use this. I'll probably give this away. Or maybe the lip luster, even though I think I'm going to definitely get some use out of this. So this is probably the only product I'm not going to use. And wow. Wow, guys, this was so worth the money. Wow. I got my Charlotte Tilbury fix for a while. So let me know down below, do you guys want me to do a full face of Charlotte using a lot of these products and some of the other products that I have in my collection? I would love to do that because I just cannot wait to put this all on my face. Like, I'm so excited. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this unboxing. And yeah, so far, I think Charlotte Tilbury's mystery boxes seem like they are an amazing, amazing deal. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe if you have not already. And I'll talk with you guys later. Bye.